back to my channel. How is everyone tonight? I am filming late again, but it's for a good video. I am bringing you a new box, new to my channel, semi-new. I have only seen one other person unbox this box, and that's Kelly Schaffner. Go over and check her channel out. She's a really sweet lady. You should go check her channel out. But her box was amazing. So I'm crossing my fingers that my box is also amazing. And here's what the box looks like when you get it. And this is a new company, like I said. I guess inventor, creator of this company, her name is Krista Moran, and I'm trying to read it off of my computer screen because I would have never remembered all of this stuff. She says that she decided to start this company because she loves to be thrifty with her money and hates spending loads of money on clothes. You know, everybody loves the name brands, but some people don't have the money to buy the name brands. And she also realizes that sometimes people don't always have a lot of time to go shopping. So it's nice to let someone do it for you. Anyway, she had recently ordered one of those box services, you know, kind of like her company. Like, I think she's talking about like Stitch Fix and Transcend, and even the fashion boxes are a little pricey. But she says that, you know, they have a stylist and then they, you know, go pick all the clothes out for you. Then these companies send you boxes. And the only problem that she had with them services was, even, and I feel the same way, even if I liked something, the price is just way too high. Honestly, when they're asking for $75 or $80 for a shirt, sometimes even a t-shirt, come on. That's ridiculous. It's a ridiculous price for just a little tiny shirt. I'm sorry. I'm not going to pay $70 for a doggone t-shirt. There's just no way. No way. I won't. I refuse. But she said, she thought about it, and then she said, well, I wonder if I can start a service like that, but without the major price tag. She can have a stylist pick out some clothes for you, send them right to your doorstep. That's how THRIFT2YOU was born. So, her service provides you a delivery to your door of nice clothes that match your style and can fit within your budget. At THRIFT2YOU, they strive to provide the best quality of clothes that they can. However, they're a thrift type of establishment. It's important to understand that the majority of the items that they collect will be second-hand. Now, I personally have no problem with second-hand clothing. As a child, I got hand-me-downs. That's second-hand clothing. So, it says if you receive something in your THRIFT2YOU box and you don't feel like it's good quality, you can let them know, and then they can see about providing you with something else. They pride themselves on being open and honest with every customer about the products, and we expect the same value from our customer base. So, I have been emailing Krista back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I ordered my box, I believe, on May 4th. And what's today, the 10th? I got it today. I mean, and this came all the way from San Antonio, Texas. That's where this company is based out of. So, I mean, why does it take all the other boxes, like my fashion box? I waited a month for that doggone box, only to be disappointed. Not only, it wasn't the prices so much for fashion, it was I would get one size and then like 2 sizes bigger or 2 sizes smaller of the next size. It just wasn't consistent. And I just felt like the clothes were a little on the expensive side. They were off-brand clothes, which I've been corrected on now. I thought they were, my hair's sticking out. I thought that they were like this box, a thrift box, but it's fashion is not a thrift box. So my apologies. It is just off-brand clothing. I mean, they were nice clothes, but they just, I mean, one was a 3X and then the other one's a 1X. I mean, I don't understand, you know, exactly why that was, but it is what it is. Let's get back to what the video is about now. Thrift to you. So I have not opened my box yet. I waited for you guys. So we're gonna open this puppy and see what is going on. If I can get it open, that is. She definitely sealed it up real good. All right, it is open. Let me get the sides down. So, oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look at this. Isn't that just, it's really nice, really nice. And you get a personal letter. And it says, your personal letter detailing what I found just for you. Okay. I see a dress in here. And a juicy couture top. I really wanted some camo pants. Honestly, I really don't know why. I just think they look so cool. Like a pair of camo leggings or something. You know, I thought that would be cool. But let's see what I got. Okay. I might have to back up for this. So, as you can see, now these clothes, you pay, did I just drop something? No. You pay, there's a box for $45 and I believe it has 5 to 7 items, I believe. You'll have to go on THRIFT2YOU.com and check it out. I will have a link down below with maybe a little special offer for you. But there's a $45 box and you have to pay $8 shipping. So it's $53. And this isn't an every month thing. This is when you request it. And they also have a $75 box plus the $8. So it would be $83. And that is, I think, 8 to 10 items. Don't quote me because I've been wrong before. But let's see what they found me. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm not really ruffly girl, so it is, there's the ruffles come down over your shoulder. Does have a little keyhole detail in, I believe that's the front, and it looks like it's going to come to about my knees, I want to say. Now there is no tag in this. The clothes smell fresh. So let's see. It says boutique item. And this is the tag here. That's what it says, boutique item. Yeah, on the TryOn, I don't know. It's kind of a, I like it. Don't get me wrong, I do like it, but I'm not so sure that that print looks good on me. So let's get to the next piece. I'm really excited about this because you know what? I don't have to worry about sending this back. Paying for it. I already paid for it. It all belongs to me. Good, bad, or ugly. It belongs to me and I'm happy. I gotta pay pants. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I did find a tag on that dress. Let me tell you who it's from, so you guys know. They do have tags on them. And there is the tag, and that, I'm so proud of myself, is only an extra large. I am just amazed. Sorry about that, got a phone call. As you can see in the try-on, these, they say that every piece of clothing is different, and I want to tell you, these are a little tight, but I'm losing weight, so I think they're a keeper too. Even though I don't have any choice, they're mine, and I like them, and I'm sure that my booty will get smaller and I'll be able to fit them the way I want to fit them. They fit me, they do fit me, but I would like them a little looser. But anyway, let's get to the next piece. The next piece is, oh, I see some sparkly stuff. This is from, get out of my way. This is from Juicy Couture. And it is a pink top. Come on, work with me. And it looks like we have more ruffles. And there's the sleeve underneath the, now I don't know if those will bother me or not. And the size on this is an extra large. And there's the tag. It's kind of cute. It has, almost looks like the diamond wrap I use with my arts and crafts. As you can see in the try-on, the shirt is a little, I don't know how I feel about that shirt. At one point, I'm kind of like this, like, I don't know. I don't know how I like it, and I would like it even better if it came down a little past my hips. I mean, I have big old hips and a big old butt, and the last thing I want to do is advertise them. So, I mean, I do like this box so far. I like the mystery in it, and there's no preview. You don't get to see it, and it's like a Christmas present, kind of, you know. But I have one more thing in my box, and it is a pair of shoes. So, let's see. Oh, my goodness. Okay, then. There they are. There's the shoes. Very little wear on them. Very little. The heel is still good. It is not worn down. That heel looks brand new. So, I wonder, I'm looking for a tag. Okay, Michael Antonio is the designer. Let me look at my paper will tell me. Let's see. Nice pair of Jordache jeans that are within the green coloring, and I feel that they would look great with the Juicy Couture top. If you also want, you can pair them with the boots. Some people might think it is too much color, but all the pieces are somewhat complementary, that they will work, or you can save them in your closet for other occasions. So it doesn't necessarily say what kind of, it doesn't even say the size. I don't know if I told her what size I wear, so I'm trying, you know how sometimes they put it on the bottom, but I do not see a size on the bottom. And I don't necessarily think that these are going to fit my wide feet. So, if I can get them on, you'll see the try-on over there. I I don't know if they are going to fit. Let's see, wait a minute. Size, oh, right there it is. Size 8.5. I don't know what all this writing is all over them, but somebody trying to send me a message. But let me know what you guys think about this box. And if you're interested in ordering a box from THRIFT2YOU, I will leave a link down in the description box so that if you'd like to give them a shot, they're a small business and it's a business run by a woman. So you know us women got to support each other. If you would like to give her a try, she seems very sweet in her emails. She seems like, you know, she really likes what she does. So if you'd like to give it a try, I will leave a clickable link down there for you so that you may go check them out. And I believe I have a referral code. I'm not sure what it gets you. I don't know. But anyway, that is it for this video. It has been long enough anyway. And I am hot. After putting on all the clothes, taking them off, putting them on, taking them off. Ugh, what a mess. I'm just a little hot here. But I colored my hair. It's really red. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. I don't always do try-on boxes. I do Dollar Tree hauls. Come with me to Dollar Tree. I do some DIYs. Sometimes I just sit on the camera and talk. I have a boxy charm box coming this coming weekend, I think. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I see everybody else is getting theirs and I'm like, come on, let me have mine, please. So, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell so you know when I'm uploading. And give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I mean, either or. Sometimes you just get thumbs down. And I'm working on better lighting. I am working on a better background, better everything. But these things take time. So, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this box. I would love to know. I think I'm going to give it another try. I think I am. I think that I like this box. I have since I've stopped getting Stitch Fix. I've stopped getting Transcend. I can't see paying that much money for one piece of clothing. And I got all them clothes there for, well, I got my box for $30, so I'm hoping that you guys get a good deal too. And try it out.